Dear students, welcome to today's session. Hope you all have understand the previous sessions very properly and you have started practice on it. And wherever you get any problem, I have told you that I am always with you. Okay? So today we are going to start an interesting topic, that is algebraic identities. Now, what are algebraic identities? In the previous classes we have also learned what are algebraic identities, and some 3 to 4 identities we have learned in 8th standard, and we have solved many of the problems on that also. Simplify or factorize. In both the questions, these identities are used. So that 4 to 5 identities we will revise, and some more identities also we have to learn this year. So that we are going to see. Okay? Now see, what are the algebraic identities? The algebraic identities are the algebraic equation. See, you know equations which have LHS and RHS. So the identities are the algebraic equations which are true for each and every value of the variable. मतलब उसके अंदर वेरिएबल की कोई भी वैल्यू डालो, उसका LHS और RHS सेम ही आएगा. Understand? It is true for every value, each value of that variable. Understand? So they are called as the identities. Okay? Now moving towards the identities, which are the identities that we have to learn this year. So starting with the basic identity that we have done already in 8th standard, and that is very interesting for you. Okay? See here, the first one is a plus b square. A plus b square. अब इसका identities I will prove and I will show what answer will come of it. See here, a plus b square can be written as a plus b in one bracket. Square is there means it is multiplied by itself. So a plus b, right? Now multiply, then you know how to multiply binomial by binomial. So it is a into a square, a into b, b into a, b into b is b square. Now see, these two are like terms, so we can write a square plus twice ab plus b square. So a plus b whole bracket square can be written as a square plus twice ab plus b square. Okay? Let us see one example on it. Example, suppose it is x plus 2 bracket square. Okay? So what it will come? By using this identity we can write directly. What we can write? A square. What is a for us? X. So x square, right? Plus 2 into a. What is a? X. Into what is b? 2. Plus b square. What is b? It is 2 square. So what will come? X square plus 2 into 2 is 4 into x is 4x plus 4, right? So x plus 2 whole bracket square can be written as x square plus twice x square plus 4x plus 4. Next identity, that is same only we can say, just there is a change of sign, that is a minus b whole bracket square. What it can be written here a square means 2x square minus 2 into a is 2x into b is 3, don't write here minus 3, okay, plus b square. What is b square? It is 3 square, okay. Now solve them. 2 square 4, x square minus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, means here will be 12x plus 3 square is 9. So here it is 2x minus 3 whole bracket square, which is equals to 4x square minus 12x plus 9. Okay. Now moving towards the third identity, that is I am writing like this: a plus b in one bracket, in another bracket a minus b. Okay. Now here same was there, a plus b, here also a minus b, but here one is a plus b, other is a minus b. Simplify them. What will come? A into a, that is a square, a into minus b minus ab, plus b into minus plus b into b is plus ab, plus b into minus b is minus b square. Simplify, what will come? Minus ab plus ab will get cancel. Here will be a square minus b square. So the identity a plus b, a minus b can be written as a square minus b square. Okay. If the problem comes like this, suppose x plus 2, x minus 2. So what we can write here? It's very easy now. X plus 2, x minus 2 can be written as, what is a here? X. What is b here? 2. A, b. So a square means x square minus b square. What is b? 2. 2 square. So what it will come? X square minus 4. Means no need to multiply binomial by binomial. Directly we will get its answer, that is x square minus 4. Okay. Again one identity that we have learned last year, that is fourth, and that is given by x plus a and x plus b. This can be written as x square, or we will multiply x into x square, x into b is bx, plus a into x, ax, plus a into b is ab. Simplified, what it will come? X square. What is common from these two? What is common? X is common. Okay. Plus x in bracket, what remains? A plus b, plus what will come here? A into b. Okay. So x plus a, x plus b can be written as x square plus x in bracket a plus b plus product of a and b. Example for it may come like this: 2x plus 3, and here x means first term is common, so 2x plus 4, like this, means here first term is common and second term is different. So what we will write here? X square. What is x for us? 2x bracket square plus x. What is x again? 2x multiplied by a plus b. What is a and b? 3 plus 4 plus a into b. What is a? 3 and 4, means 3 multiplied by 4. What will come here now? 2 square 4, x square plus 2x into 3 plus 4 is expansion of this identity, these two terms, that is 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 4. Understand? So these are the four identities 1, 2, 3 and 4 that we have already learned in our 8th standard. Okay? So here the important thing is that this is the factorized form in product, and what I have solved, it is the simplified form. ठीक है ना? तो आपको ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है सिंप्लीफाई, तो उसको आपने ऐसा लिखना चाहिए. अगर उल्टा पूछा फैक्टराइज, तो you will be given in this form, you have to write it in this form. Understand? This is and factorized form, this is and simplified form. This is and factorized form, this is and simplified form. This is and factorized form, this is and simplified form. ठीक है? So you should know. Many of the students don't know what is simplified and what is factorized form. So they should know that what is simplified and what is factorized form. Now next identity that we will see here is, now we have seen on binomial. Again one is there for binomial, that is cube is there. There is and cube. So for cube also we will see what are the identities. So they are number 1, or we can write fifth also. Fifth one is a plus b whole bracket cube. A plus b whole bracket cube. Now see here, अगर मैं आपको डायरेक्टली लिख के देता तो क्या इसका एक्सपेंशन होगा, क्या सिंप्लीफिकेशन होगा, बट यू विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व बाय आवर ओन थ्रू द आइडेंटिटी. a plus b whole bracket cube, आपके पास में क्या है, ये आपका होगा a plus b whole bracket square. ठीक है ना? अब क्यूब था, क्यूब में स्क्वायर निकल गया तो और एक बच गया a plus b, है ना? ऐसा होगा. इसका आपको एक्सपेंशन पता है, व्हाट इज द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ दिस वन, a square plus twice ab plus b square. Right? Now only we have learned. Now here it is a plus b in multiplication form. Multiply it now. What will come? A into a square, a cube, a into twice ab, twice a square b, a into b square, a into b square is ab square. Now multiply with b into a square is a square b into twice ab is twice a b square, b into b square is b cube. Now add the right terms. A cube, ये और ये वाला कितना हो गया, plus thrice a square b. Right? Now ab square is plus thrice a b square plus what remains, b cube. So the simplified form of a plus b whole bracket cube is a cube plus twice a square b plus twice a b square plus b cube. Right? Another one, same identity will take, just there is a difference of sign into that. So it will be a minus b whole bracket cube. Now subtraction sign is there. So this also we can write same as this b cube. Let us solve. A cube minus twice a square minus, that will become minus twice a square b. Twice means 2 plus 1 3. Here ab square twice ab square plus thrice ab square minus b cube. So this is the simplified form of a minus b whole bracket cube. Okay, this can also be written as like this. See, this can also be written as a minus b whole bracket cube, can also be written as a cube minus, इन दोनों में से क्या कॉमन निकलता 3 a b. ठीक है, अब अंदर क्या रहेगा, यहाँ पे बचा a, यहाँ बचा माइनस साइन, यहाँ बचा b माइनस b क्यूब. तो दिस कैन आल्सो बी रिटन फॉर बोथ. इसके लिए भी लिख सकते हो और इसके लिए भी लिख सकते हो, दोनों के लिए आप लिख सकते हो, एंड दैट विल बी यूजफुल इन सम प्रॉब्लम्स टू यू. ओके, so these are the two identities which contains cube here. Okay, now the one identity that we have to learn is the last one, that is seventh one, that is the cube of the binomial we have learned. Now the three terms will be there and three terms square we have to learn. Means if it is a plus b plus c whole bracket square, a plus b plus c whole bracket square. अब whole bracket square का तो फार्मूला आपको पता है, लेकिन that is with the binomial. We have to learn it now trinomial. So let's see what I am doing here. Put b plus c is equals to x. What I have taken b plus c as x. Now what it will become, a plus b plus c की जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा x, a plus x whole bracket square, and this you know, a plus b whole bracket square can be written as a square plus twice a into b, that is ax plus b square. B square is what? Sorry, what is b for us? B is x, that is x square. Now simplify it. A square as it is plus 2 into a into what is b? What we have done, instead of x we have done b plus c. So I am replacing them, b plus c plus, instead of x b plus c, so b plus c whole bracket square. So what it will become now, a square plus twice ab, twice a into c, twice ac, twice ac plus, now here binomial square is there again, so we can use again that identity, that is a square and b square. It is a and it is b for now. A square plus twice ab means bc plus b square. Right? Now simplify. A square plus twice ab plus twice ac plus twice bc plus b square plus c square. So this will be the identity, or this will be the simplified form for a plus b plus c bracket square. Right? So this much identities we have to deal this year. Okay? If you get any problem in these all identities, then you So this can be written as a square. What is a square? Twice x bracket square. ये मैं साफ लिख दूंगा पहले स्क्वायर वाले टर्म्स पूरे प्लस b स्क्वायर मींस 3y bracket square plus c square is z square plus twice ab 2x into 3y plus twice bc twice what is b 3y c is z plus twice ca 2 into c is z and into a is twice x. So what it will come now? दिखने में बहुत बड़ा दिख रहा है ये लेकिन बहुत इजी है. It is 4x square plus 3 square is 9y square plus z square. करो multiply. 2 2s are 4 3s are 12 xy plus 2 3s are 6yz plus 2 2s are 4xz. So this is the simplified form of 2x plus 3y plus z whole bracket square. ठीक है, इन दोनों के एक एग्जांपल देखना बाकी है अपने को. So this we can see the example of that cubic identities in exercise also. ठीक है, आप लोगों ने बहुत से ऐसे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किए होंगे पिछली बार. 102 whole bracket square solve by using identity. ठीक है, so if such problems came और अगर अपने को ऐसे तो क्या होगा, we don't know what is 102 square, so we can use here identities. इसको आप लिख सकते हो 100 plus 2 whole bracket square. Now it becomes binomial square. अब इसको आप यूज कर सकते हो a square that is 100 square plus twice ab 2 into 100 into 2 plus b square that is 2 square 1 2 3 4 plus 2 2 are 4 into 100 is 400 plus 4. Now what it will come? 4 0 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 0 1. So this will be the answer for 102 bracket square by using the identities. So many such problems are there in the next exercise that we are going to deal. Okay, then there you will see what is factorization and what is simplification. Keep one thing in mind, this is the case of factorization और जिसका अपन ने आंसर लिखा है this is simplified form. इस फॉर्म में दिया है तो we can factorize. If it is given in this form we can simplify. These are the simplified form, these are the factorized form. This is the simplified form, this is the factorized form. Understand? Okay, so thank you. This is all about this session. Okay, we will start the exercise in next session. Okay, thank you. Chalo, bye.